Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to DigitalOcean Droplets using SSH keys. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to DigitalOcean Droplets using SSH keys, start by creating an SSH key pair on your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the command SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. You will be prompted to choose a file to save the key. Press Enter to accept the default location or specify a different path. Next, set a passphrase for added security or press Enter to skip. This will generate a public and a private key. Locate your public key, typically found in /.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Open the public key file using a text editor or by executing cat/.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Copy the entire contents of the public key to your clipboard. Now, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the dashboard. Create a new droplet by clicking on the Create button and selecting Droplets. Choose your preferred image, size, and data center region for the droplet. In the Authentication section, select SSH keys. Click on New SSH key. Paste your public key into the provided text area. Give the key a recognizable name to help identify it later. Finish setting up your droplet by clicking Create Droplet. Once the droplet is created, note its public IP address. Return to your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command to connect, following this format: SSH root at your _droplet_IP. Replace your _droplet_IP with the actual IP address of your droplet. If prompted, type yes to continue connecting. Enter your passphrase if you set one during key generation. You are now connected to your DigitalOcean droplet using SSH keys. To enhance security, consider disabling password authentication on your droplet. Edit the SSH configuration file by running sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd. Find the line that says #password authentication yes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.